Hi, welcome to my channel. I am Mr. G. Manoj Kumar, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government Arts and Science College, Valparai. Today we have discussed about Introduction to Information Technology Unit 1. The topic is System, Software and Hardware. Right? Let you see about introduction. A computer is an electronic device that accepts data and process data arithmetically and logically, produce information, and divided into two categories. First one hardware, another one is software. Hardware. Hardware is a physical aspect of computers, telecommunications, and other devices. It includes not only computer proper but also the cables, connectors, power supply units, and peripherals devices such as keyboards, mouse, audio speakers, and printers. Types of hardware. First one is internal hardware: CPU, motherboard, RAM, then ROM. CPU, that means central processing unit. It is the brain of the computer. Most of calculations take place here. Two typical components of a CPU are arithmetic logical unit. Second one is control unit. Next one, motherboard is the main circuit board of a microcomputer. It is contains CPU memory, expansion slots, and all controllers required to control standard hardware devices. Next one, random access memory. RAM is the place in a computer where the operating system, application programs, and data in current use are kept. It is a temporary memory, can be compared to a person's short-term memory. Then ROM, that means read-only memory. It is technology that allows you to write data only once. After the data has been written, you can read it an unlimited number of times. Next one, input hardware. Input hardware consist of external devices which we give information and instructions to the computer. The input hardware, common input hardware are keyboard, mouse, scanner. Output hardware. Output hardware consists of internal and external devices that transfer information from the computer's CPU to the computer user. The common output of hardware are monitor, printer, and speaker. Connecting hardware. Connecting device allows hardware devices to communicate with each other. Common devices are modem. Next one, LAN code. The main heading, storage hardware. A computer storage devices is any type of hardware that store data. Some common storage devices are: first one hard disk, second one floppy disk, another one is CD-ROM. Software. A set of instructions that enables physical components of a computer to work in a synchronous way is known as software. The set of instructions is often called a program. Computers cannot do any useful work without instruction from the software. Types of software. First one is system software, second one programming software, third one application software, the last one utility software. System software. System software helps in running the computer hardware and the computer system. The main system of software are operating system OS, device driver. Application software. It enables the users to accomplish certain specific tasks. Follow the types of application software. First one is web browsing software, another one is word processing software. Next one, utility software. Utility software helps in the management of computer hardware and application software. It performs a small range of tasks. Some typical examples of utility software were different matters. The last one is programming software. This is one of the most commonly known as popularly used form of computer software. The software come in form of tools that is assist programmer in written computer programs. The tools that helps the programmers in instructing a computer system include first one text editor, second one compiler, third one interpreters. Thank you.